Imagine getting paid just for watching ads, liking posts, and following people on social media. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you two websites that actually pay you for doing almost nothing. You don't need any skills, and anyone can start earning right now. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. First on our list is aviso.br, a pay-to-click website where you get paid for clicking ads, following, liking, and watching short videos in social media, and subscribing to YouTube channels. To sign up for aviso.bz, start by visiting their website and clicking on the Sign Up or Register button, usually found at the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to enter your basic information, including a username, your email address, and a password for your account. If you have a referral code, you can enter it at this point for potential bonuses. Once you've filled in the necessary details, be sure to read and agree to their terms and conditions. After that, click Register to create your account. Once signed up, you'll likely need to confirm your email address by clicking a verification link sent to your inbox. Now you're ready to start earning. Once you've signed up, you'll see a list of available ads and short videos to interact with. Each ad or video typically requires you to click on it and sometimes watch a short video or complete a small action, like staying on the page for a certain amount of time. You'll get paid for each ad you click or video you watch. You can also earn by following accounts, liking and reposting videos on VK platform, and there is a lot more ways to earn on this site that you can discover after by yourself. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, you can withdraw through payment methods like Payeer, Perfect Money, or even cryptocurrency. The minimum payout is usually between 10 cents to $1, which is very accessible for beginners. And here are some withdrawal proofs that I earn it by myself with no referrals at all. Second and last on our list for this video is vksurfing.ru, a pay-to-click website where you get paid for following, liking, commenting, reposting, and watching short videos in social media like Instagram, VKontact, Telegram, TikTok, and Likey. To sign up for VK Surfing, click on the Start Now button, and then you will be asked to sign up using one of those platforms. Let's try to sign up with VKontact. So click the platform logo, and you will be asked to provide your account username and adding a random phrase that they will give you in About Yourself field. Next, you'll need to enter additional details like your email and payment method for withdrawals. After you sign into your account, go and link the other platforms to unlock their tasks. For me, I already have a VK Surfing account. There's no need to sign up again. So after sign and the available tasks will be shown here, you need just to switch from here the platforms and see the available tasks for each one and work on them. Every minute's new task, just check time to time. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, you can withdraw your earnings through several payment methods, making it easy to cash out your money. The platform supports withdrawals via Payeer, Volley, and bank transfers, which are popular in Russia and neighboring countries. The minimum withdrawal amount is 50 rubles, around $0.5, making it one of the easiest platforms to cash out from. Once you reach the minimum balance, simply go to the withdrawal section, choose your preferred payment method, enter your details, and request a payout. Withdrawals are usually processed within 24 to 48 hours. And here is some withdrawal proofs that I earn it by myself with no referrals at all that you can make by yourself in a short time with no big effort. So we have reached the end of the video. The links of the two websites will be in description section. And before you go, here are 3 tips to make the most money from these sites. First, use multiple websites. Sign up for all 2 sites to increase your total daily earnings. Second, refer friends for passive income. Both of these sites offer commissions for referrals, meaning you can earn without doing extra work. Third, automate tasks with browser extensions. Some tools can help automate clicks and engagement. saving you time while making money. Want more websites like these? Don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2.